Coming back to the 90s, product data technology and those in it and the researchers in it often quoted Lewis Carroll. Because Lewis Carroll was also known as Charles Dodson, and he was a mathematician and a logician. And if you read the books carefully, Alice in Wonderland and Through the Looking Glass, you will notice he's playing with words. And there's lots of manipulation of words, which is quite clever, completely lost on children, of course. And so I think the PDT technologists were getting it wrong. So I've quoted Humpty Dumpty in my PhD thesis in the conclusions of it. And so Humpty Dumpty says, when I use a word, it means just what I choose it to mean, neither more nor less. Well, the question is, says Alice, whether you can make words mean so many different things. The question is, said Humpty Dumpty, which is to be the master? That's all. Now, many technologists looked at this and said, well, this is all very silly, isn't it? Surely we must be more precise with our language. But if the use of Humpty Dumpty's technique may end up making communication impossible, at least he has clear-sighted enough to know what he's doing. Failures in communication are frequently complicated by an unwillingness to recognize high-handed dealings with a language. And this is a common fault in lots of software and in lots of businesses.